What's going on YouTube? Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000. We've just installed the Ryco turn signal horn kit. This is a new updated kit for you guys. The part number on this is 4200A. All right, do you notice anything different about the front end of this KRX? Oh yeah, I'm sure you do. This is the Trail Edition model, and if you look over there, that is the same front end. What are you seeing different? That's right, we got some additional lighting on this bad boy. So with this kit, you're gonna get 3 boxes. You're gonna have the 4200A box. This is gonna have all of the wiring, fuses, fuse links, and instructions and all that good stuff. You're gonna have another box that's gonna have all the fang lights inside, and you've got another box with the KRX custom grill. Check that baby out. Let's see how this thing works. What I love about the Ryco kit, it uses a column mount like you're gonna find in your car. Simply push down on that lever. It's gonna activate the turn signals left. Indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. Let's see what these new lights are gonna do for us. Ah yeah. What do you guys think about that? Pretty slick, right? Also, what we love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock tail light housings. It's going to utilize all those LEDs, giving you a nice, bright turn signal on the rear. Simply go up with the lever to activate the turn signals on the right-hand side. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. Nice loud car style horn. Simply pull out on that red lever for the hazard function. Let's check this out. That's what I'm talking about. What do you guys think of the all new Ryco kit? The 4200 kit is still available. We do have other kits for every machine out there on the market. But for you Kawasaki KRX lovers, we do have 2 options for you. We've got the standard kit and then this kit with the new updated grill. This grill does come with the kit and those sweet lights. Let's go around to the back side here. There you can see you've got tons of visibility on the back. The Ryco kit also comes with the license plate mounting hardware, as you see here, as well as a nice cool LED light to illuminate the plate at night. Now here in Utah, the only other thing you'll need to be street legal in this great state are 2 mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a right view and a left view, or a left view and a rear view. Totally up to you. Nice, right? Which kit are you gonna go with? Now to release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with this lever and that'll reset that back to the turn signals off. We love this kit. We love the update. We love the upgrade. There again is your standard look on the front. And now that sweet grill, that sweet custom look. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. My cell phone, 435-851-3637. If you're after this new updated kit, part number is 4200A. That's with the accent lights. We still offer the standard kit. Both kits are in stock. They're both incredible. We do have both kits on sale. 435-427-3338. Have a great night, everybody. We'd love to hear your feedback, thoughts, comments. We appreciate Ryco Moto and all they do for our business. Have a great day, everybody.